Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get student discount on Etihad Airways. Now, to get these student discounts, you need to check for offers through platforms like, Student Beans, or there's websites like Student Universe, right? So you have to look for, offers on these websites. So you just enter your, destination, your origin, your travel dates, whether you want a return ticket, economy, right? How many adults there are. So let me give you an example for this. So here I made a simple search from Denver to Washington, right? And I get up to 30% off. So you need to give them your age to find the best final prices for you. So let's give them our, let's say, date of birth, right? Let's make this happen right here. And then just click on next. It'll ask you for some information. Now you need to confirm your student status, right? So that you'll be redirected to another page right here. We have to prove that you're a student, and they'll give you these great offers. Now this is another website. It's a Student Beans. So if I scroll down here, you'll see this is a flat, offers. So up to 10% student discount right here on Etihad Airways, right? You just have to, verify your student status. This one is with Student Beans, okay? A limited time offer. But here it's for Abu Dhabi's premium 4-star and 5-star hotels. This one's for hotels. This one's for the, airline tickets. This one up to $800 off deals, right? This is a limited time. But this one usually they do give you 10% a discount. It's really that easy and simple. You come here to Student Universe, make sure you have to basically prove yourself that you are a student, and then you get these offers. So very easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.